In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Do Not Disturb mode turning on automatically on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. If you don't like the fact that Do Not Disturb mode is always automatically activated, then let me show you how you can easily disable that feature. And first off, guys, we need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down until you find Focus here, and that's where we can easily find Do Not Disturb. After that, scroll down again, and if you see some schedule here, then click on it. And if you just want that Do Not Disturb mode not to be activated automatically, then just disable this feature right here. That's how we can easily turn off that schedule. However, also here we can customize what days it will turn on, and also here we can configure when it will turn on and off. Let's say I would like Do Not Disturb mode to be activated at, let's say, 23 o'clock, and it should be disabled at 7 o'clock. And also I can configure Do Not Disturb mode to be activated just at weekdays. Basically, guys, that's how it can be easily done. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.